Ever wondered how companies calculate their net income? Let's dive into the intriguing world of the income statement, which is a financial document that's as vital as a compass for a ship. It helps a company navigate its financial journey by summarizing its revenues, costs, and expenses over a certain period of time. Now let's imagine a simple lemonade stand. Yes, that's right, a lemonade stand. It's a business too, you know. It has sales, which is its revenue. That's every penny earned from selling those refreshing glasses of lemonade. But wait, it also has costs. It bought lemons and sugar, didn't it? That's the cost of goods sold. And let's not forget about the expenses. The stand itself, the charming little sign that says "Best Lemonade in Town," that's advertising. So, our little lemonade stand, just like a big corporation, has to keep track of all these numbers to know if it's making a profit or not. Now, what exactly is this revenue we're talking about? Let's unravel this term. Revenue, my friends, is the total amount of money generated by the sale of goods or services. Think of it like this. If you're running a lemonade stand, the money you get from selling each glass of lemonade, that's your revenue. Each refreshing glass sold brings in a little more revenue. So each time you heard the clink of coins, that was the sweet sound of revenue. But it's not all about the money coming in. What about the money going out? Now let's delve into the concept of expenses. These are the costs that a business incurs, which don't directly contribute to a product or service sold. Picture running a charming lemonade stand. You'd have to shell out for more than just lemons and sugar. There's the stand itself, perhaps a fetching umbrella to shield your customers from the sun. And let's not forget the poster board and markers for your vibrant "Fresh Lemonade Here" sign. These are all expenses, and they can nibble away at your bottom line. It's crucial to keep an eye on these costs as they can impact your profitability. Remember, even the smallest expense can squeeze your profits. So, we've got money coming in and money going out. But what's left in the end? Let's talk about the grand finale of our financial journey, the net income. Think of it as the star of our show. It's what remains after all the costs and expenses take their bow and exit stage left from our total revenue. For our little lemonade stand, it's the money left jingling in our pockets after paying for the lemons, the sugar, the stand, and of course, our billboard-sized advertising. It's the financial equivalent of a standing ovation, the applause that tells us our efforts paid off. This is the moment of truth, folks. The net income tells us if our lemonade stand is a hit or a miss.